segment for tonight, we have the 7 candles. These 7 candles are a reminder of the warmth, the wisdom, the love, and the joy that have radiated from Madame Leona over these 70 years. As we light each one tonight, we reflect on the many blessings and unforgettable memories that have made Madame Leona a wonderful person. We are here to celebrate. Kaya naman, eto na. Tawagin ko na rin isa-isa ang ating 7 candles for tonight. So give a message for our birthday celebrant for tonight. We have Miss Baby Design.
Sarap dito mag-swimming, makamatay tula ng ulan. Pandigo dito master.
Thank you so much for this beautiful smile. Next in line, let's hear another message from Miss Sol with the smile.
Ito yung food nila masarap.
Yung kinapagkadaan, hindi nagkababang para yung kinabukasan malibay. Minsan di pa kami natutulog. Pare, tapos nito,
Yun, Mamos Catering pa lang. Naka-vlog tayo. Mamos Catering. Yan, baka meron kayo sa shoutout. Yung manager niyo. Shoutout.